Hello artist, my name is Sajid Rahim. I'm a 2D 3D artist and animator. Today I'm going to show you how you can export your Autorig Pro to Unreal Engine 4. Here you can see I have a character rigged, and I'm going to export this stylus character to Unreal Engine 4. So, and you can also see my character already have a pose. So uh, for exporting, we must need to reset our pose. So for this, we have to select the rig and then go to the pose mode and then press A to select all, and then go to the pose and clear all transform. So it will reset our character to the default pose. So again, before exporting, we have to select the rig first, and then we have to go to the file, and we have to go to the export. And please make sure do not export your character in FBX if you wish to export your Autorig Pro character to Unreal Engine. So for this one, we already have a preset that comes with Autorig Pro plugin. So we are going to export this character with the help of this preset Autorig Pro FBX. We can also export our character to GLTF, but we don't need this one. We only need this one, FBX. So just export by hitting the FBX, this one, the Autorig Pro FBX, and then we have to locate where we wish to export our character. And here you can see we have to check some options and enable them. So first of all, Blender is asking for what type of character you are exporting. Because our character is humanoid character, so we have to select the humanoid. And then where we are going to export our character, so because we are going to export our character to Unreal Engine 4, so this is why we have to choose the Unreal Engine. And then we have to also we have to enable the facial bones as well, because here you can see my character is fully rigged with facial, and we have facial bones. So this is why very important, we have to select this one. But if your character don't have any facial bones, you can leave this off. Or you have facial bones but you don't want to export the facial bones, you can remain this one off. So again, I am going to export the facial bone as well, so I am going to enable this one. And then I have to rename for UE, mannequin axis must be on, and add IK bones must be on as well. So here one more option we have. If we wish to export our character to older Unreal Engine 4 version, you can check this on. But if you wish to export your character to Unreal Engine 5, you can still on this you can check this on and export your UE4 compatible character to Unreal Engine 5. So this is the thing that we are going to do, that we have to enable this one as well. So when we export our character to Unreal Engine, we have an option, we can retarget our character with UE4. But if you wish to make your character compatible with UE5 mannequin, then you have to check this off. So I'm going to on this UE4 legacy as well and hit export, and then you have to wait for a few seconds. Blender will progress and actually I mean Blender will analyze and export this. Okay, our character is now exported. Now we have to go to our Unreal Engine, and I'm going to add a new folder for this character. So I will right click on here and new folder, and I will give a name bodybuilder. Okay, just go to the folder where you wish to add your character, and then right click and import character. Okay, go to the location where you have exported your character. Okay, we have a one window here. In this window we have to select what where we are going to target our character. Here you can see we have SK mannequin, which is UE5 mannequin. Here we have SK mannequin skeleton, which is UE4 mannequin skeleton. As you have seen, we have exported our character in for UE4 compatibility, so we have to select this one in the skeleton, this mode. And we also have to enable some more option for facial morphs and for the materials. So we have to enable these options. Create material is already on, and for the facial morphs we also have to enable the facial morph. We need the morphs. Here are the import morph targets, so this must be on, and then hit import. Okay, our character is imported, but character is not imported with the material, so we will add all the texture to the material later. But first we need to retarget our character so we can play with this character. So for this we have to go to the third person, and then we have to go to the blueprints. Just double click on the third person game, or just double click on the third person character. Open this one and just select the mesh character, and from here you have to select the character that you wish to play. As you have seen, we have already imported, so our character is visible in the category, so we are going to select our stylus character, and BP equivalency is okay. And then please make sure save the asset before playing. And now we are going to close this one, and if we play the game, as you can see our character is now in the window and playing. But the problem is our character is floating in the air, so we can fix it easily. First of all, we need to go to our character folder where our character and skeleton is located. So just select the character, just double click on your character and go to the skeleton tree section, and then you have to select on this gate, and the option you will see these so many options, and just check the show retargeting option, and then you have to select the pelvis, and then select and open it, or you have to right click on the pelvis animation icon. Here you can see, so you have to right click on it, and then you have to select this one. After this go to the pelvis section again and select the option called animation scale. So select this one and save your character. and then go back to the main window and press play, and here you can see our character is now on the ground, and you can see the animation and rigging is perfect and everything is aligned properly with our skeleton. So this is the tutorial that I wish to show you guys. So for the materials, you have to add your texture to your material one by one, or you can do one more thing, just export your character from Blender, but this time export this one with simple FBX, and then go to the path mode and select copy and then enable this one. When you will enable these options, what Blender will do that Blender will export your character with the materials and texture. So you can again then go to your Unreal Engine when you export from the simple FBX, just go to the Unreal Engine and import your character again, and you will see your character will come with the materials and with the texture already embedded in it. So when you import it, all the materials will be progressed. You can simply just drag and drop these materials to your original character, and after applying these materials you can delete the older character, because you can delete the simple FBX export character because you don't need it. You have exported the character just for the materials, so you have the materials, keep them save in the same folder or wherever you like to save or to, so you can save it and use your character with the pre-made material.